Hello, my name is Jan. I'm here at Exact Solutions and I'm working in the product management team. Today I want to show you our EVO-LINK lineup. As you can see, we have 5 different models: the EVO-LINK 210, 200, 211 and 201. These 4 models are capable of holding up to 200 kilograms, and this year our heavy-duty model, the EVO-LINK 350, even holds up to 350 kilograms. As you can see, all EVO-LINKs are equipped with ball joints. These ball joints are specially coated, so you have a very smooth adjustment even under load, and also a very tight sit when you lock the handle, so there is no unwanted play. Our EVO-LINK 211 and 201 are also equipped with this fine adjustment area right here. This helps you to fine-tune your setup even more easily. Our EVO-LINK 350, 211 and 210 also have this double clamp setup. This helps you to distribute your weight perfectly in the middle under your truss. This is very important for heavy setups. All EVO-LINKs are compatible with our EVO series, that means EVO-Frames and EVO-Frame accessories. Therefore, all EVO-LINKs have screws. On the smaller EVO-LINKs we have M6 and M8 screws, and on the bigger EVO-LINK we have M8 and M10 screws. These screws are specially designed so you can't lose them, and all EVO-LINKs are 100% made in Germany, and you can get them with DGUV 17 certification. If you want more information, click the link below and visit our website. Thank you very much.